Okay. So good morning everyone. Let's move on to class. So meantime they will join. Sorry. So last class. So already we discussed a few important Linux commands, right? How to copy files, and how to move files, and so mostly. Can you see my screen, Anil?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last class we discussed, right? What is the how to CP? CP means if you want to copy files, this is the source path, source file name. This is the source file name and destination file name. Source file name and destination. This is the source file or source path wherever is a file, and so this is the destination path where you want to. And same way move command also we can use source path, and so real time also we are using these commands only most of the cases, and so destination path, and also rename also we can use we can use rename also actual file, and so rename file, new file, old file name, and so if you want to rename new file name, new file name, new file name, so on. And the mostly we are using grep command, right? So this is very very important interview purpose, and mostly if you want to. One second. I wait first.
Search any string. If you want to search any string, so this is the mostly we are using string name and so file name, string name and so file name, so string name and file name, this is the mostly we are using string name and file name. So how to use, and here also we are using some arguments, right? So grep space hyphen e, ignore case. Next, what are the parameters? Yesterday we last class we seen, right? So what are the parameters last class we seen? What are the parameters last class we seen, right? So hyphen I. Next, we can use so hyphen I, we can use a few things, right? Hyphen I, and so graph space hyphen C, and so graph space and hyphen N, and graph space hyphen N, hyphen I, hyphen C, W, word. So there is multiple. If you want to, we can search a single file name, or if you want to, we can search multiple file names, or more than one file also. Last class we discussed, right? This is the graph string and file name. So file 1 or file 2 like this also we can search, or else we can search multiples also. Grep space string, and here I am giving so star dot txt. What is this meaning? Here if you mention like this, here if you mention like this, it is searching all text files. It is searching all text files, all text files. I hope you got it right. So anyone any doubt yesterday class? Clear guys? Hello? Okay. Now we'll see that continuation and all how it will work. Now graph. Okay. So graph command we go for graph. Already we see graph is nothing but so globally search a regular expressions and print it if you want to. And so we are using so file. This is the string name and file name whatever you want. So we can enter. So if you want to, we can give I means ignore case, and C means count. C means count, and the same way where we can check, right? N means line numbers, before and after, how to display pattern and all L, only if you want to display file names hyphen L. So there is, these are the arguments. This is based on a requirement, so we can pass whatever you want, so whatever so you want. So now there is one more also is there, f graph. See here, already you know graph command. F graph means fixed string global regular expressions. So same way, if you want to search multiple strings, if you want, if it won't, see here, search multiple content in the file. So we can go for so this one also. For example, I want to search more than one string, more than one string. How to check it? Now see here. So as of now, we are searching only single string. Suppose if you want to search more than one string, how to search it? So let me Ubuntu, let me open this one. Now see here, as of now, this is the syntax, how to search a single string. Suppose if you want to search multiple strings, if you want to search multiple strings, so that case, how it will work, now check it. Now clear, now check it here. Someone is joined. Okay. Okay. Now if you go here, ls. So this is a file. Yesterday we created one file, right? Subject.txt file. Cat space. How to check that content? Cat space dot txt. Now this is the content. Now if you want to search any one string, this is the usually we are using, this is the command. So this is the command. For example, I want to search Unix. Unix. Okay, so that is the file name sub.txt command. Now see here, this is the particular line number Unix is available. I want to search more than one string. So see how it will work, whether it is working or not. So Unix I want to search it, and same way I want to search Java also. Is it possible or not using a grep command? Now see here. So now it will see only it is displaying, which is the first one. So and also graph Java is no such file or directory, and it is displaying only one string, right? So what about Java? If you give Java, you are getting same output. If you give Java means we'll get output Java. But here I am passing two strings, right? More than one. So how to search? See here, search multiple content in the file. If you want to search anything more than one string and any word, and so that case how we can use it. So there is a syntax, we need to use hyphen e. We can use hyphen e. So if you want to know more about, right? So grep space hyphen help we can use. And so here also we can check what are the arguments we can pass it, what are the arguments we can so pass it, and all we can check it. See here, hyphen e. What is hyphen e? So this is the hyphen regression patterns. Use patterns for matching. I want to search matching. I am going to pass multiple content, right? Multiple strings. If you want to search multiple strings, there is a one argument we need to pass. If small e. Small is nothing but use patterns for matching. Use pattern for matching. So now same thing we are going to use. See here, hyphen e and again hyphen e and Unix, whatever you want, we can pass it. I hope you got it right. So I want to match the pattern. How many strings? Now I can work with cat space object.txt. This is our actual file. Now see here, grep space, grep space. I am using hyphen I. What is hyphen I? I hope everyone know. Hyphen I is nothing but ignore case. Hyphen I is nothing but ignore case. Whether I can pass uppercase or lowercase, whatever it may be, I need to find devs and hyphen e. Again, we need to give something. For example, Python and file name subject.txt. See here, subject dot. Something is missing. So first also we need to use hyphen e. First also we need to use hyphen e. Here hyphen e. Hyphen e. Now see here. So graph I means ignore case. E means it is matching the particular string and particular file. Now see here. We can check more than wherever it is available. We can find it. I hope you got it right. So if you want to search if you want to search multiple contents, multiple strings, multiple words, multiple whatever you want. So that case we need to use directly grep is not supporting. There is a one more command egrep. Before move on to egrep, we can pass like this also. We can pass like this hyphen e and string name, hyphen e string name, like this we can search multiple strings. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt guys here? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, same whatever you want, we can search it. So Unix, where is available Unix, we can, it is filtering, it is filtering. So if you want to search more than one content, multiple content in the file, so everything available here, just check it. See here, hyphen e. So instead of using hyphen e option, we can use egrep also. We can use egrep. We can use egrep. It is the extended grep. What is the egrep, guys? Extended grep. So we can pass like this. Instead of passing hyphen e hyphen e, and if you want to use, there is one more command also available, egrep command. What is the egrep? Extended. So extended grep command. So it interprets pattern as a extended regular expressions. Simply we can use hyphen I and double quotation. This is the bracket. We need to use bracket. So like this we need, this is the syntax. Same thing we can use like this also. This is the both same only. We can use like this, or now see here, we can use like this, or egraph extended. Directly we can use egraph hyphen I double quotation and whatever you want, which string. For example, same I want to search DevOps slash and Python, same whatever you want, so subject.txt, both are same only. We can use like this or we can use like this. So here every time we need to use e, right? Instead of instead of providing every time see here, instead of using hyphen e, simply we can use e grep, extended grep. E grep is nothing but so extended grep. This is the syntax. So this is the syntax. Now try here how it will work. Now see here, clear the screen, cat space sub dot txt, and I am using C here egrep grep egrep space hyphen I. This is the ignore case. And so which string you want to search, guys? For example, I want to search only Java, or else I want to search only Python. See here, py Python, and the file name. What is the file name? Subject.txt. Subject.txt. What happened? Anything syntax?
Pipe symbol.
Okay, sorry, not slash, pipe symbol. Okay, now see here. So now see here. So this is the Java, and so here pipe symbol. This is the pipe. So this is the pipe symbol, and so in our keyboard, right, shift and top of below backspace, we can see pipe symbol. We can see pipe symbol. This is the symbol. So actually, this is the symbol. We need to type. This is the pipe symbol. Pipe. This is the pipe symbol. So like this we can pass so multiple contents, if you want to search multiple contents, and so that case we can use egrep. So instead of providing multiple is, simply we can use egrep command. Simply we can use egrep command. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt? Not only two strings, if you want to we can pass multiple more also. I want Python as well as I want to search, for example, Unix also. See here, Unix. Now see here, same. So earlier we are using hyphen e string name, hyphen e string name, hyphen e string name, but instead of providing multiple is, simply we can use egrep. And this is I, this is your wish. If you want to we can pass hyphen I. This is the ignore case, right? And this is the syntax, pipe symbol, double quotation, and start bracket, and this is the symbol, pipe symbol. Clear? So that case, mostly we can use egrep command. So mostly we can use egrep command. Now see here, with F option also, or we can use this is the F grep also. One more command, fixed string global regular expressions. This is the F grep. One more grep. There is multiple, right? Multiple ways we can search it. So it will take group of fixed strings and search for those in given file. The string should be in the separated by new line. So this way also we can search it. So we can search it grep command, and we can search it egrep command, and also we can search it fgrep also. This is also. But here that strings whatever we want to search, so we need to pass so new line. See here, strings should be separated by new line. Whatever you want to search, so that and all we need to pass under the new line only. Under the new line. So this is the, so this is the f grep. This is the F grep. Now see here, suppose same thing if you want to work with, same thing if you want to work with, here this is the syntax F grep. And so for example, hyphen I, hyphen I, or whatever you want we can pass. For example, dev and press enter. And what is this? Python, enter. Next whatever you want, for example Unix, double quotation space file name sub.txt. This is the syntax. So this is the syntax, whatever you want. So here everything we can pass single line, right? But if you use F means hyphen F fixed, or instead here also we can pass same thing, we can pass hyphen F also. Instead of providing hyphen F, we can pass, we can pass. So this is the F graph, and these are the strings, whichever string you want to search, that string only under file name. Now see here how it will work. Now go to here, cat space w.txt. Now I want to search to see, already you know graph, you know e graph, you know f graph. See here f graph, and I am using for example Java, and press enter in our keyboard, press enter in our keyboard, press enter. Now it will come, this is a new line, this is a new line. For example, you want to search Unix, okay. Now space and file name, I want to search only two. Suppose if you want to search more than two, and here I am giving DevApps also, DevApps, okay. Double quotation end, space, and file name. What is the file name? Subject.txt, subject.txt. Now see here, same output, same output. This is your wish, whichever you are comfortable, whether you are comfortable graph or e graph or f graph, whatever you want, but purpose is same only, purpose is same only. I hope you got it, guys. Anyone any doubt here? Same thing, whatever you want. So this is after enter, and so whatever you want we can. Then finally, so these are the end. Search string is end with double quotation end, and this is the file name. This is the f grep. This is the f grep. Fixed. See here, fixed string global regular expressions. If we want to use, we can use hyphen f. Instead of providing hyphen f, directly we can use also f grep. Directly we can use f grep. Clear? I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? What, Anil? Hemant? So these are very very important. Interview also, most if they are asked any question in Linux, 100% they are touch with grep command. They are touch with grep command. How to search string in our file. So how to search string in our file. How to search content in our file. So now we can search three ways. We can use grep command, or we can use egrep command, or we can use fgrep command also. I hope you got it right. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, same. Just practice. Very simple only. Just we need to practice. Now, remaining how to search and all, there is a multiple ways. Now see here how they are searching. So I want to search with the print only matching pattern instead of total lines. I don't want. I want to search with. See here array size. How it will work. So suppose this is the name, right? These all are same only. We can easily understand. Just try it. See, I will show you one cat space. Clear the screen. File name subject.txt. Okay. Now, so first edit this VI, right? VI space dot txt. Insert I. I'm going to update same thing. I'm going to update same thing. Again, I'm giving Java. I'm using right. Just I'm giving two more rows, same Java, .NET and something I'm giving. Okay. Escape, colon, X, save and exit. Save and exit. Okay. Now see here, I updated cat space, cp.txt. Okay. Now, so if you want to, we can search multiple, see, print only matched patterns instead of total line. I want to matched pattern, how it will work, just see. So already you know, right, grep command, see here, grep space, and so first letter should be, I want to match with ja, and so remaining characters I am giving array size. Second letter, third letter, and fourth letter should be A only, and so remaining two letter, whatever it may be, it will match with A, any characters. See, for example, here I am using so something. This is you know, right, what is AE or anything, whatever. For example, I want to match with remaining only AV, right? AV. So total string length should be 4 characters, and first letter should be starts with capital J only, and last letter ends with a small a only, and remaining two any characters. I am not giving here. I am giving some pattern. So maybe A or maybe V, maybe E, maybe Y, U or R. So like this. So first see here, I am giving only two. Now file name. Now file name subject.txt. Now if you graph, what is here, and same pattern, right?
But it will consider single letter, three letters only, either a J A
No,
A
four,
or
right? Sorry,
JBA.
I need to pass two more, one more thing, right? Second letter A, V or anything, correct? Second letter anything, okay. Now third letter I am giving V, okay. Now count four, right? First, this everything one letter, and this is the third, this is the fourth letter, and second letter maybe any character, maybe A, maybe V, maybe R or anything.
Yeah, that is right.
Anything. Now see here, this is. So our only third letter may be anything. Our first letter may be anything. Remaining four letter I want to Java. See here how it will work. So this is the only you know, right. So content, it will check the matched only. Matched means here first letter should be capital J and second letter any character. Now here I am going to add one more. Now we can easily understand. So vi what is file name, subject dot txt. Now insert, I am going to add one more record. See here, and so by mistake I am entering, see here I am giving record. Now escape colon x. Here actually there is second typo error, right? Cat space subject dot txt. Now see here, this is Java, Java. Here see by mistake read what's the second letter, I don't know, but I want to print anyone, maybe A or maybe V or maybe Y, anything. But the third letter V and fourth letter A. So how I am searching? I don't know exactly, but here we can easily identify, right? But if we have multiple lines, that case searching is very difficult. Now see here, grep space and first letter J only, and second letter maybe A, E, I, O, U, V. I am giving something randomly, any characters, and remaining same only, va space file name. File name means sub.txt, or else we can use only two also. Now see here, I am giving only two. So now it is checking, so second letter A is available or not. Yes, that record will display. And again it is checking V, second letter V is available. Total four characters. First character should be capital J, third characters V, and fourth letter A. But second letter should be anything, maybe A, maybe V, or maybe I. Now for example I am using E also. Now it is checking, So first it is checking settle second character A is available or not. Yes, it will print. Second letter V is also available. Yes, it is printing. Next E also is there. Is there any string related JE? No, right? It won't print anything. It won't print anything. Now got it. Is there any E matched? No, right? Second letter E. JE. I don't have any record related like that. Now got it. Cat space. Like this also we can check it. For example, I want to search something same, right? Mm, here any duplication, see yes, now see here SR, start letter anything, and and remaining, so whatever that is your wish. If you want to print specific pattern, now we can use. I am using Unix already. See, U first letter should be U, and so remaining anything Unix, right? So second letter here capital N small n, right? Capital N, I am giving only n, and remaining is something I am passing, and ix. Now what is the output? Check it here. Now it will print only one letter. Now I am using so here n and capital N. I am passing both. Actually here all are uppercase, right? We need to use hyphen I also, hyphen I. So that case it will work. Second record also it will come hyphen I. Now see here, I means ignore case, right? I means ignore case. So if you are not passing U means first record only it will display. This is, it will check only first letter should be capital U, and second letter small any character, maybe N, maybe E, maybe T, and so here, and third letter I, fourth letter X, and subject. So that case we can use like this, print only matched patterns instead of total line. If you want to compare like this, we can use like this also. All are same only. Now whatever you want, here there is many examples available. Just go and so search it, try it. So go and so try it. Now see here, if you want to print a type of regular expression pattern, I want to print a character pattern, word pattern, or line pattern. Same way, as of now, you know how to play with grep command. So now you want to print something. See here, type of regular expressions. The all regular expression patterns divided to three types. One is character pattern. If you want to, we can search with character pattern, or if you want to, we can search with word pattern, or if you want to, we can search with line pattern also. Now, so see here D star. Now here I am giving something cat space txt. Now I am using only starts with my records, starts with my name records. I don't want other records. I want to starts with my name records. How I can filter it? See here, grep space, and I am using star. Star represents any character. First letter should be M. Remaining letters any character. I am not considering. So whether it is maybe anything. Now got it. So first letter should be M. So remaining letters anything. Star represents anything. See here. So this is the character. This is the character pattern. It display all lines which contains D followed by any number of characters. Now here it starts with M followed by any characters. Any characters. And what is the file name? Subject.txt. What is the file name? Subject.say. See here. It is see highlighting only M. See these two records, these two records. So if you want to but not providing support for this, now we can use like this also. And we this and all, you know what is this already, you know. And this is means dot means any character, and it will search all four character words, and so where first letter should be B and last letter should be N. Now see here, I am also passing same thing. Now I want to search this record, grep space, first letter should be ram R dot, that means two letters, and last letter should be A. So these two characters anything, maybe any characters. First letter starts with R, last letter ends with name ends with A, and so file name. Now see here how it will work. Now got it. Now which record it will highlight? Anyone? Which record? So first letter should be starts with R and end with total characters 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Total characters 4 only. Entire string length 4, and first letter starts with R and end letter ends with last letter ends with A, and remaining two characters anything. So this record. Now got it? Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? So for example, grep space and first letter starts with J and remaining two characters anything and A, and so now anyone output how many records it will highlight? If you how many records?
Three.
Total 4 characters. First letter should be starts with capital J, and so fourth letter small a, remaining to anything. Now check it here. See here J and A. This record it will highlight, and also this record it will highlight, and also this record also it will highlight. Now got it? 3 records. See here. Now clear. Anyone any doubt guys? So if you want to we can search like this. This is the character pattern. Suppose if you come to word pattern, I want to search, it will display search for the given word. I want to search given word. Particularly if you want to search given word, so we can use this word also. Three ways we can search, right? Character pattern, word pattern, line pattern. As of now I searched only character pattern. If you want to search word pattern, we need to pass like this. Now see here. So now see here how it will work. This is already and if you want to search, so like this you can search it. Like this we can search it. So this is the specific character pattern. Particularly if you want to search, we can use so this is the specific. And the line pattern means this is the line pattern. Line starts with and so line ends with. Okay, in interview one guy they asked this question. So they have multiple lines, and so they want to start with some specific character or specific right IP and all. How to search it? So they want to starts the line starts with, lines ends with. This is the cap symbol. This is the dollar symbol. So here this is the line pattern anchor. So we can use the two what we want. Now if you see here, so now let me copy anything ls, and so anything here. Now come here. Now go to here. I'm copying some content. Go to Google, and so I need some data. Just I'm searching. Need full data list to document. Else I can copy something. Okay, I'm copying what is DevOps. Now go to here. I'm going to edit one file, any one file. For example, here I'm taking devops.txt. So vi devops.txt, devops.txt. So I insert. Uh, I want to delete the all lines, guys. If you want to delete line by line, what is the command? Delete. What is the command? dd. Copy. Shortcut keys. Already we discussed, right? If you want to copy any line, what is the command? YY. If you want to delete the line, what is the command? DD. Marchipinara. Now see here, I am pressing DD. Okay, insert. I am pasting. This is my data. Okay. So now see here, DevOps monitoring tools for something blah blah blah. Now hierarchy performance start with I am aligning something, and with the difference u I'm adding same thing. Oops, just okay. Now whatever that is your wish. Just for practice purpose, I am saving. I am adding multiple lines. Development, software development, and you must platform observation from dev dev. Okay, okay. Now I am saving the data. I need here I have total 6 lines. Escape colon x, save and quit the file. Now see here, cat space. What is the file name we modified? Clear the screen. ls. What is the file name we modified? devapps.txt, right? Cat space devapps.txt. Now see here, this is my data. This is the first line, this is the second line, third line, fourth line. I hope everyone know. So total how many lines? 6 lines. Now, so how to check line pattern? See here, line pattern. So line starts with something, or lines ends with something. So if you want to get, so how to search it? For example, this is my data. This is my data. So this is the line starts with a D capital letter. Here line starts with A small letter. Here this is the line. Line starts with O. Here line starts with S. Here line starts with U, line starts with D. Now if you observe here, so I want to find a line starts with some character. Now see here how to search. See here grep space. This is the command. So grep space. So this is the command. Grep space starts with line starts with this is the pipe symbol, and so now we can use so anything. This is the starts with means so here it display all lines starts with D. See here, I want starts with. Now this is my line. Now my line starts with cap. Where is that symbol? 6 app, and I am using a capital D, and so file name. File name is devapps.txt. Now if you observe here, how many lines starts with D capital D? How many lines?
2 lines.
2 lines. Now see here, it will highlight only 2 lines. For example, I want to line starts with S. How many lines it will display? Starts with
One
S.
line.
Only
One
one
line.
line. Now see here. This is same cap and dollar. Dollar means ends with. For example, line ends with anything. So cat space devapps.txt. Devapps.txt. So now line ends with. For example, here y is there. Anything that is your wish. Line ends with give any num. See, grep space, single quotation, dollar, dollar, uh, ends with which, for example, I am ends with M
Yeah.
and file name devaps. Dot. How many lines it will display? Only
One line.
one
One
line.
line.
Anything what is missing?
Dollar will be end
Dollar.
after M.
Sorry. Here I given reverse order, right? Wait. Okay, so this is syntax. This is starts with means cap, right? Ends with, right? This is dollar. First la so where is symbol dash? Okay, what is come here? What is syntax? Now see here, that is dollar character dollar, correct one, right? This is starts with ends with inix cat space devapps.txt. So grep space, and this is a cap starts with means cap symbol, and we are giving y, and so file name devapps dot, it is okay. Now ends with
They
see
try to give word, one word, one word. End word.
I am giving ends with I am giving a key dollar. Okay, dollar. Mm. Now clear? Correct only, right? So analysis of key is the word, ends with key, line ends with a keyword. I are not getting anything. Check. I am giving y also. I think actually that is a line not ends with. That is the problem. Let me copy something and paste it. Copy. Again, I'm editing the same file. va dev apps.txt. Insert. Now go to here, paste it. Okay. Now this is the line end, right? Now let me check it. Colon X. Sorry. Escape. Colon X. Clear the screen. Cat space devapps.txt. Okay. Now this is the line. At the line ends with data. Okay. Now I am using grep space. Okay. Data. Just I am giving a dollar a dollar. Okay. Now file name devapps.txt. Still it is not.
So maybe line should be ended with system. Give any servants.
Data.
N
M.
N dollar N name $N.
Data. No. Let me give M. What ma?
N sir.
N. Okay.
Single quotation.
N dollar and so devapps.txt. Nothing. I don't know. Okay, we'll check it. This is a portable, right? Whether it is compatible or not, we don't know. But in actual uh, operating system, it will work. All commands it will work. Or else we'll check it. Let me check double quotation. Maybe some case, sometimes it won't support, right? That is also no. Now else I am giving dollar only. Dollar means anything, right? All lines. This is working okay, but why it is not working? Ends with I am giving dot. Now dot is it is highlighting. See here, dot is highlighting, right? But why it is not highlighting? Space I am giving. Okay, it is working. Space. So these are the these lines. Anyway, it is working. But here for us, maybe some alignment problem. That is the reason exactly it is not matching. Now see here, I am giving space. So these lines ends with space is available. These lines at the end space is available. Now see, I got only this line. Now I given dot. Dot means these two lines, right? Now see here, dot. These two lines. But from why it is not highlighting? Okay, maybe internally that page it is not correctly we are not visible.
Give with data space dollar. Check it once.
Data space dollar.
Space dollar.
No.
No.
From space we'll see. From key space. Now space is there. Now got it right. Now see here
Sure.
key space. That particular line only it is so filtering. It is finding. So same. So starts with means cap symbol. Ends with means dollar. Ends with means dollar. So just remember we can search ends with whatever we want. Remaining story same only. Whatever we want, multiple ways we can check it. Multiple. How to delete blank lines? If you want to search only, if you want to delete blank lines, if you want to delete blank lines, so -v. There is many arguments we can pass it. So whatever you want based on requirement, we can check it. So based on your requirement, so we can check it. Cat space, cat space, cat, not cat, grep space, grep space, and so this is the help. So here whatever we need, so based on this -v, select non-matching lines. -v means non-matching lines. Capital V or small v, there we can use it.
Small view only.
Small v only. Okay. Small v means this is the capital V means this is the display version information and exit. And so these are the arguments based on requirement. Whatever you want, we can pass it. So whatever you want, so we can so pass it. So I already see here. So this is the, if you want to delete, if you have any blank lines, we can remove. And so -v, and this is the starts with and ends with, and this is the file, and this is the, I want save it to some different file. Now see here, take first any one file, cat space devapps.txt, devapps.txt, here, or else I am going to subject cat space vi subject 1.txt, 1.txt, insert, I am giving some empty lines, this one. Here also I am giving some space, empty lines. Here also I am giving some empty lines. And so here on to, I want to remove these lines. That's it. Escape colon X. Try to understand. This is my actual file. Cat space svb1.txt. This is my file. Now what is the here? How to delete blank lines? I want to delete blank lines given file. So they want to delete blank lines. Now see here, what is the syntax? Grep space, grep space, grep space -v, and starts with the cap and ends with anything. What is symbol? Where is that? $6 quotation and file name svb1.txt and greater than. We'll discuss later what is greater than means. I am, so here I am getting some output. This output I am saving into the this file. Now see, I am using, for example, temp.txt file, temp.txt file. Now see here, here this is my actual file, this is my actual file, this is my actual file, this is my actual file. And so here I am deleting empty lines. Here I am getting some output. This output I am storing into here. So before that I am running same command. This is output, right? This is the output we are getting. I removed the blank lines. Removed the blank lines. Now I removed blank lines. This is output. This output I want to save in some other file. This is the syntax. Greater than, give any file name. Give abc.txt. abc.txt. Now ls. Now ls. Now ls. Cat space. Cat space. Cat space. abc.txt. abc.txt. Now see here. Now if you want to remove the blank lines, if you want to remove the blank lines, so this is the command -v, -v. Okay, blank lines. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt? Clear? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes. No, sir.
Okay, so that's it from my side. So we'll continue Monday. I'm stopping here, and we'll see continuation Monday.